John! Cover up tattoo, half sleeve project. Yan. So, itong nasa inner arm na lotus with a waves, yan. Wala tayong kinover up dyan. So, pinrehand natin yung waves and then yung background para kumonekta dun sa outer part ng tattoo ni Bossing. So, yung Polynesian, yan yung tattoo ni Bossing. Tapos yung pinalit natin yung koi, saka yung dragon. So, yung koi medyo namumutla-mutla pa siya kasi may balat-balat pa siya, scabbing pa siya. So, pagka gumaling yan, titingkad pa yan kasi nagbora si Bossing sa Bicol swimming. Kaya medyo dry. Pero pag gumaling yan, lotion lang, aangat pa yan. Alright? So lahat ng gusto magpa-tattoo, PM lang po ha. Kahit si cover up, kaya po natin yan. Right? May always on the go, 24/7. Who's next? Thank you, Lord. November 25 to 29, Hong Kong, Macau. And December 3 to 6, Aguilar, Pangasinan. And December 20 to 23,